Hello people! Today I have something great to show you that I've been dreaming about. This is my Amiga 4000, original with all 30 CPU, 25 MHz, 8 MB of RAM, internal RAM, and 2 MB of chip RAM. So it's like 10 MB altogether. And I have a Prelude Soundcard in the computer that also got this MP3 hardware decoder, so I can actually play MP3s without using almost any CPU. But I've not been connected to the internet, so I got this now a couple of days ago. It's like this parallel port internet adapter. So I have this Wi-Fi extender here with a cable, Ethernet cable, to this one. So setting that up and all this, yeah, that you can read about or see elsewhere. I'm just plugging this now into my parallel port and turn on my Amiga 4000, and I will show you something really cool. This is something I've been dreaming about, because in Hippo Player it is possible to play internet radio, and I've been doing that on my Amiga 1200. But you know, with the Prelude Soundcard I can get like real full 16-bit, yeah, you know, like perfect quality. Like every instrument, everything will sound like it should. And very little noise, because the Prelude Soundcard is great. So if I go here, search, here you can also go. Okay, first I have to go Miami, so just now I'm connected. I'm using the Miami Deluxe IP stack. It's many places here you can stream music from, but radio stations, this is really nice. So if I put any kind of music, I put jazz fusion. Now you see, it's fast, came up many channels. Jazz rock fusion. I have my Bowra Wilkinson speakers. That is fantastic. So that was loud. I have a remote here, so I can sit anywhere. Of course not. It's only volume or on and off. Turn it off. But so great sound quality, and yeah, you can even use the computer. You see? And go. Now, big thanks to the Hippo Player guy from Finland that is constantly updating that fantastic music player. So this is something I will use a lot, because it's just amazing that like original Amiga 4000 can do this. Of course, it's an MP3 decoder on the Prelude card, but anyway. And I have this, this SD card instead of a normal hard disk or like traditional hard disk that came with the Amiga 4000. I installed a SD card as a hard disk replacement, and that is much faster. And like you say, see, if I turn off, you see when I turn on the computer, it's booting like this. Quite amazing. But if you're still interested, I can talk a little bit more, not about the Hippo Player and this radio streaming stuff, but it's one thing that I want to show you. This I saw from this guy on the internet, and that is something that I will really consider if you buy this Plipbox, this internet solution. That was because if you reset your Amiga, it will not then you have to also take out the power from the Plipbox device. It's a little bit strange that they did not do this like default, but because if you just solder a cable from the third pin here to the third pin here, then you can then it will reset automatically. If you soft reset or hard reset your Amiga, it will reset. Because that was a little bit irritating that I have to like unplug the power from this one to go online if I did a reboot. So just some information there to you Amiga guys and girls. Yeah. Now, but good, very good day for me to be able to stream radio and like this. This is amazing. So thanks for watching and see you again. Bye bye.